ran out of plugs. There's just not enough power to go around. I have to call an electrician again. Who knows when he'll show up, how much it'll cost, where he'll put the plugs.
Don't worry, the power is in our hands. It's easy. Just use this midspan between your switch and the IP phone. It'll bring voice and power to the phone unit. PowerDsine's Power over Ethernet midspans are independent power injectors that are installed in the wiring closet next to the Ethernet switch. They provide power and data to IP phones, wireless LAN, access points, network cameras, and other IP devices.
But there's no power plug. Where's the power brick?
You don't need it. It's all here.
Hey, you're right. This is amazing. You mean the Ethernet cable can power it up?
With a midspan, an Ethernet connection is all you need.
But where do I put all those boxes?
Midspans go in your computer room, right next to the LAN switch and the UPS. See, this one has 24 ports. I think that's enough for everything you have there.
The PoE Midspans are designed to address various vertical markets and system needs. The 6000 series is ideal for a wide range of corporate and enterprise networks. The 8000 family provides power to high power consumption Ethernet devices. For small to medium-sized offices, the 3000 family is the right solution. For high-density installations, the 48-port midspan offers a unique mechanical design to provide power to up to 48 end devices simultaneously in one U. The 6000G gigabit midspan family supports both existing and emerging gigabit applications.
Just connect each phone to one of these ports with an Ethernet cable, and you don't need an AC plug for them. This is the most secure way to power up all those machines because you don't need AC outlets in public areas. Also, power is delivered only when the device is connected.
I have a PABX that has a DC output. Can I use it?
No problem. You can order midspans with AC or DC inputs, or with both.
What about non-standard applications? For example, this camera.
Oh, it doesn't support PoE. You can still power it with a midspan, but you need a splitter. Splitters are designed for non-standard remote devices. Used at the remote end, splitters separate the power from a PoE connection and convert it to 5, 12, or 18 volt. Just connect the splitter to the PoE cable. See, now you have two separate cables, one for power, one for Ethernet. Just what that camera requires.
And this?
That's a pre-standard IP phone. You need a dongle to connect certain phones. Dongles are small cables for use with non-standard remote devices, so they can use PoE. There are special dongles for Cisco, Enterasys, and Nortel pre-standard devices.
This is really great, but how do I know it is really going to work with no interruptions?
Don't worry. For full resilience, all you need is a central UPS connected to your midspan. A single central UPS will make all your remote devices resilient with no need for a separate UPS for each piece of equipment. And to make your life even easier, you can order a midspan with the optional SNMP. SNMP PoE Midspan's remote management option enables powering on-off individual ports, offering both web management and SNMP support. That means you'll be able to see the status of each device from any remote PC. All 19-inch midspans can be ordered with SNMPs, whether you need 6, 12, 24, or 48 ports.
Thanks a lot, PowerDsine. This will really cut down on time and expense in my next VoIP job.
Wait a minute, not so fast. What about wireless LANs, hotspots, and security applications? Don't you do those too?
Sure I do. What do you mean?
Don't forget, midspans are just as essential in wireless LAN and security applications. They work in exactly the same way. You put the midspan of your choice in your communication cabinet next to your switch and UPS. This means you can install any wireless access point or security camera exactly in the optimal spot and extend the Ethernet run from the switch to the remote device. No need to worry about new AC outlets, safety regulations for public areas, or decor considerations. As long as you have a midspan in your computer room, an Ethernet cable is all you need.